Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to control your newsletter settings. This is where you can set your preferences for the Ellii newsletters you receive from us. So without further ado, let's get started. First, log into your account. Once you have logged in, click the arrow next to your name and click Account from the drop-down menu. From here, click Notifications on the left-hand side. This will bring you to the notifications page where you can control what newsletters you'd like to receive from us. Below each title of the newsletter, there is a brief description about what the newsletter contains. Use the toggles on the right to control whether you'd like to receive this specific newsletter. Keep scrolling and use the toggles on the right to make your changes. The site will save the changes automatically. There's no need to click any additional buttons. Please note that even if you turn off all of the toggles, we will still send you updates about privacy settings or about your account. That's it for this video on how to control your newsletter preferences. If you have any questions or any difficulties, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.